negmawon, make it jump. Wonderful ladies and gentlemen, this is her. You make money. Money so sit on the side of it, we don't even call it money no more. We call it nini, sweet. Nini. So today, I go by the name of King CZ, aka Mr. Petefiel, aka Keep Pushing, aka now your favorite king. Today, I'm so excited to talk about ampiano. You know about ampiano music? Yeah, you know everybody loves ampiano music. But now, introducing Gangpiano. What? Woo! Listen, I understand everybody loves Burnaboy. I love Burnaboy too. That's my guy. But nairamarley, on the other hand, what? Listen. Last time, not everybody can talk with us. I don't. The ladies love that song. But then, nairamarley, the song he just made. Hey, that song, they call that song again. I don't know the name of that song. But he goes, he say, my favorite part of the song, he said, listen. He said, let me explain why they hate us. Never mind. Them full of shit. Like anus. What? Ooh, and then he goes, excuse me. Yo, listen. Gangpiano, nairamarley, murder. If he's not the most paid, listen, if nairamarley and burnaboy are not the top paid artists in Africa, something's wrong with Africa. These guys are the number one, top number two artists, period. I don't care. That's it. Not saying period, there's a lot of other ones, but those two, top. If they're not put at the top, at least top 5, something is wrong. Like Yeezy said, something is wrong. There must be some light-skinned brothers with long beards who are manipulating these guys, because there's no way. It's not what this is about right now. nairamarley, when it's war, separate the boys from men. Understand that? Brothers over here, boy, stay over there. What? Man, he said it perfectly. You know what I'm saying? That's the Gangpiano. You know, if that Gangpiano, who keep listening to the ampiano, sweet music. But Gangpiano, what? Who? Hey, burnaboy killed it too, we? Burnaboy killed it. What's that song again? Get up in them. Hey, why? These guys murdering it. And I listen to these songs every morning. I can't even wait to get up. Gangpiano, baby. Burnaboy. nairamarley. Can't touch this. It's not no wizkid. It's not no wizkid. It's not no wizkid boy. That's not what it is. Okay? nairamarley. Burna boy, not Wiz boy. Burna boy. You know what I'm saying? He's a giant. Who introducing soon negmawon piano. I'm the negmawon, the only negmawon, the only real negmawon that exists. All these other ones, they just, I don't know. They want to use things when it comes to their advantage. Me, I'm a negmawon 24/7. Okay? Hey, negmawon piano coming soon. Enjoy this. Oh, he made another song too. Hey, nairamarley, he made that other song. Chichi. Chichi. My heart, my soul for you. Man. It's just a little bit. If you get this guy's album, you don't have this guy's albums in your collection? I don't know what kind of music you like because this is such a big, beautiful mixture. Whoa! Perfect. Love you guys. Love you guys. Love you guys. I like your music, but man, hey, come on, man. Leave Thames for me. Thames, baby, come on. Don't make that mistake.
Just be